Matunga Flower Market vendors speak out after BMC demolition drive, a fight for survival. The iconic Matunga Flower Market, known for its vibrant blooms and rich history, has been hit hard by the recent BMC demolition drive, leaving hundreds of vendors in distress. This historic market, a key part of Mumbai's cultural and commercial fabric, now stands disrupted as shop owners and street vendors struggle to rebuild their lives. In an effort to clear illegal encroachments and unauthorized structures, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC) carried out a demolition drive at the Matunga Flower
cracked
Market.
down upon 52 shops in the Matunga
while part
Flower
of an
Market.
urban development
Officials
plan,
state it was
has
due to
deeply
unlicensed
impacted
shops
local vendors who have been running their
encroachment of the
businesses for
footpaths,
decades.
making it difficult for
Many
pedestrians
lost their
to
stalls,
navigate around
stock,
this area.
and a primary source of income overnight. Vendors speak the human cost of the demolition. For the vendors, this market was more than just a business hub. It was their livelihood, legacy, and lifeline. In emotional statements, many expressed their despair. They have been selling flowers here for generations. Where do we go now? Here families depend on this business. The demolition happened suddenly, leaving us with nothing. The government talks about supporting small businesses, but they are left stranded. While some vendors had permission to operate, they claim that the drive failed to distinguish between legal and illegal stalls, leading to widespread losses. The future of Matunga Flower Market. The demolition has raised questions about urban planning, vendor rights, and fair rehabilitation. Many are now demanding clear policies for legal vendors to ensure they can continue their businesses, alternative spaces or compensation for those affected, a transparent dialogue with BMC to prevent sudden demolitions in the future. Local activists and citizens have also come forward, urging authorities to consider the human cost of such drives and work toward a balanced solution that supports both development and livelihoods. The Matunga Flower Market has been a symbol of Mumbai's culture, tradition, and economy. While change is inevitable, the voices of these vendors must be heard. Will they receive the support they need to rebuild? Or will one of Mumbai's most cherished marketplaces fade into history? Stay updated, support the vendors. Follow for more updates and vendor stories as the situation unfolds.